Let's get started. What's up, wildflowers? I know it's been a while, but I've just been going through like a lot of things and just so busy and wedding planning and all this good stuff. But I really wanted to come with a video. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. It just really haven't sat down and had not really even just didn't have the time. I just didn't do it. But today what we're gonna do is a wash day routine and possibly a wash and go. So start here, take off my bonnet, and this is my unwashed hair. Yeah, it looks a hot mess. I look a hot mess, but I'm about to wash my hair, so you know, no one's caring about all that. But yeah, I did dye my hair also, and I guess I'll have a video on just dyed hair, I guess. Something like that. But let's get started. Okay, so here I'm just really just washing my hair before I put shampoo and everything into it. So that's literally all I did. I didn't use a special shampoo. I don't really use a special shampoo. I kind of just use whatever I have. I mean, you probably should use like a sulfate-free one because it's just that's what's best usually for curly natural hair. And then I'm putting the conditioner in my hair, and I kind of just make sure it gets through all parts, and I finger detangle as I'm doing that. My favorite conditioner is the Shea Moisture conditioner. The only thing that I don't love about it is that it's a bit thick. So, but yeah, and then you'll just see me rinsing it out. Alright, so now that we're all, you know, conditioners rinsed out, which I will say that I don't always make sure all the conditioners out because I love to use like conditioner as like my leave-in conditioner, even if it's not really a leave-in. It just kind of makes my curls pop a little bit more, but with this conditioner you like for sure don't have to do it. And let me reiterate how much this is my favorite. It's been my favorite since I started going natural, which has been probably like 8 years, 8-9 years now. I don't know, it just always made my curls pop and look nice and stuff like that and stay and not get real frizzy and stuff like that. I really love Shea Moisture, actually, like most of their products. It's just kind of expensive sometimes, so can't always go with it, but I was able to get it and I love it, and I feel back in love because I haven't gotten it in so long. So the next part though that I want to do is just oiling my hair, get that moisture to stay in there. I feel like you can use really any oil. Just whatever you like, whatever you feel is gonna work best for your hair. I tend to use, I'm just starting to use this. I've used it before, but yeah, it's done pretty well for me. So I just, you know, squirt a little. I don't like to use a whole lot of this because I don't like my hair to feel real oily. But what I start is I go into my like scalp more so, because that's more so when you need it, and I just rub and kind of massage my scalp. And just make sure I'm getting it in there, and then rub some on your edges. Keep those nice and healthy. And then, yes, y'all can make fun of me. I don't care. I like Blue Magic. I like using a grease because I feel like it really gets over like other parts of your hair. Like it doesn't just directly go into your scalp, because the other parts of your hair need to have some type of oil to it as well. Also, I don't know, I just like the feeling of more like a grease kind of thing for it. It's a little heavier, so I wouldn't say using it like always for everything, but I do like that I know I'm not about to drip into my clothes if I put on like a liquid oil. That's really annoying, or you know, stuff like that. I hate when that happens. So I just use just a little bit. You can see that. And then you rub it. And then I do a little bit on my wrist too, but for the most part, I'm just trying to go over my whole head. Like with a liquid one where you want to kind of keep it to the roots so that it doesn't just drip off. I get a little bit more. I rub it. I get it. Pull it straight to the ends. Also, the Blue Magic one I got helps with, it has, let me say this first. It has shea butter, jojoba, don't know how to say that, Jojoba oil, and Japanese green tea leaves. And it's supposed to super grow your hair, so that's always great. I take a little bit more, rub it, and make sure I get the back. And then I also go to my edges and get those as well. And then we just have this. And also, if you didn't see in the previous clips, I definitely, again, make sure you detangle. I love to finger detangle because I feel like it's just easier on your hair than like using a comb or something like that, which if that's what you like to use it. I just like to finger detangle. And this is the finished product. See my curls. What I like most is making sure I can see all my curls and stuff, especially after dyeing my hair. You see that I have all my curls. There's not really much damage done to them. So I really love that. But I might do a wash and go style. And if you're into that, just let me know. And make sure you like, subscribe, share with everyone, because even if you don't have my texture of hair, this is still a good way to see how you're supposed to do, like wash your hair and routine and stuff like that. And I do want to mention again that it really doesn't matter what shampoo you really use. I mean, preferably something that was sulfate free. But the shampoo really, to me, I don't think it's the biggest issue. I think the biggest thing you need to worry about is having a great conditioner, whatever that is for you. Just make sure it's a good one and it brings moisture back to your hair and you like it. And if you also like to do a leave-in, do a leave-in. I personally don't think you necessarily need a leave-in. If you have a good conditioner, you can use it as a leave-in. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you, Wildflowers, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.